My company is new to the US. They never been here. So all three, the state level and then regional level and then county level, they all together help us with different depths of information so that we can select this location.
The Detroit region for a long time has been the epicenter of the automotive industry, and Daejin really made the best choice by coming to the Detroit region to further that now that we're going into the EV industry. The polymer sheeting on our products is the grounding between the battery and the vehicle, so there's no explosions, there's no grounding issues, there's no electrical issues. So it's basically the base layer between the battery and the car.
All biggest three companies in the world, like Ford, GM, Stellantis, headquarters in here. All the R&D and the development is made here. So proximity to OEM and then proximity to our customers is easier than other locations.
So there's a lot of companies in the Detroit region that we're able to use to send off our scrap material, and they will regrind it up, send it back to us so we can reuse it with almost zero waste.
Nowadays we have 60% recycling materials and then 40% the new materials. So with our customers, they can save the money, they can follow the government regulation, but they have same quality. So it's kind of the win-win situation. Detroit region is kind of the heart of the automotive industry. There are a lot of training facilities and programs for related to the automotive industry, especially engineering side, and then we can acquire more qualified, high-quality talents related to the automotive industry.
We actually have a few employees who went to tech schools for their end of their high school experience. And when they let me know that and I was able to give them aptitude tests, that schooling helped them get into better positions here. For the future of Daejin in the Detroit region, I'm excited to get to the 100 employee mark and maybe even open up another plant. We've created great jobs here for everyone. Everyone out there knows that if they want a future here, they can have a good one.